Bro, you should put one center. Why? The one at the back very strong. I think the lower back more too.
Okay.
Because lower back, my back portion, the size, right, the op is pressing more or less around. The middle and the lower back is very comfortable. I'm not sure. I thought might have been after the ball. I'm guessing whether when the thing expand already, will there be any vibration to it, or is it just an acupoint press?
Okay.
I didn't have a solid idea, but I was just guessing whether there's any more additional functions other than acupoint. It's a good thing to have on the go when you're sitting back on something, that's for sure. Let me sit straight. Let's say if I'm in office or I'm on the move where I can take a seat back, or at least if I'm standing on the train and I can press my back against a wall, I can feel the impact. Not impact, I can feel the acupoint. For long flights, if you're actually for long flights can use it, because in between you sleep, you'll be quite tired. When you wake up, at least it helps the blood to flow.
Okay.
Or in office also can. Oh, you can turn left or right?
Yeah, can. Just use it.
Hi mate. Oh, it goes left or right like that also?
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
left and right. So I thought it was forward and back. So if left and right means it's a good gauge, because if I yeah. Okay, this is damn cool.
Okay.
I think the jacket is really comfortable for the lower back. So if you're someone who has, when you sit all day and your posture is, you get a back strain on the lower back, it will definitely help. Or for people who are very cold in office, it could double up as a jacket and keep your day feeling better. It's definitely worth the use for long terms if you're sitting at one place.